guys, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. So I wanted to take the time and share my holiday video with my family. All of my family actually came down from all different parts of the world. We got together for Christmas and I wanted to share that with you guys. You'll see how my family decorates for Christmas. They go all out. We're super into the holiday. So I want to wish everyone Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys.
All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas Mary.
I really need this. I seriously need this.
Come open a present.
Seriously need this. I seriously need this. Thank you so much.
Baby.
Really? Seriously?
Merry Christmas, babe. I know you said I wasn't gonna get you this, but I got it for you anyways.
Legos? How nosy you there? You want to see?
Or some gummies or something.
Legos!
Oh, look, am I go with his? Give me his present. No, I might spend money on batteries. That's too expensive.
You want to?
She gonna no.
Ooh, thank you!
You
I
like
love
this?
it. These are gorgeous. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Nana! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Hi!
I heard something. For you guys to go get yourself something that you like.
Oh, they gave me that last year.
Money! How much?
25.
Woo!
Nando!
Ooh, thank you.
Mommy, what
Daddy!
Is that your side?
Why is she so excited?
Dad got me one too.
Really?
He got like a girl
From me.
from cheerleading. Can we go?
Yeah, go.
What is it?
Is that the same thing that you
Gloss, makeup gloss.
Alright, give me your tissue paper.
Oh, yeah.
Give me your trash. Give me. What is that stuff? And drugs? Who or another family? What is that?
Ross.
What?
Pop Ross.
Ooh!
Ooh, summer.
Who gave you that stuff? Oh.
keep going.
Makeup? Lipstick?
Read the back. Read what it is.
Lip balm kit with mirror.
Baby.
Fragile.
Oh my god.
Somebody's phone.
Oh yes. Give me anything animals. Look at that.
I got snow leopard or
Yeah.
It's a white tiger.
White tiger.
With blue eyes.
Yeah, snow owl.
Me.
Oh, thank you, Shalini. Thank you.
it should be getting handwriting that can be careful from.
Nice.
Yeah. You use that.
I'm running low.
Go.
Alright. Merry Christmas, Asher.
Thank you, darling.
Kiss him, kiss him.
Open it up.
From who?
Me and Amanda.
Come on, pick up kiss, man. God bless you.
Open it up.
Go help him with it.
It must be soft, so liquid.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
By George Mill.
I George too. That will go over well.
That's nice.
Ooh, I like it.
Very pretty.
Too much chocolate.
You knew I was gonna get you perfumes, Mom?
Yes, and I knew it was going to be little ones. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mommy. You're welcome. They're for Uncle Arnell.
Yeah, open it.
If you win big, don't forget me.
Thank you, Audrey.
Yo, this is my present from you, and this is from Wendell to Wendell.
That was like earrings.
Let's see.
Thank you.
Cassie?
And look, it has a light on it.
It's a box. Look at it. It's Old Spice.
Old Spice.
Old Spice. Because you're old.
See what it has. I want to see.
Ganesh. Symbols of wisdom and intelligence.
Dad, you see, she gave you a blanket.
Some nice little Ganesh set. Very nice. Thank you, animal.
So that be a bit. Robert.
It goes fit. It's stretchy. Medium.
No, that's not.
Wear it as a, if you can't wear it in public, wear it as a night shirt to sleep.
Let me see what is that? A duster for my desk at work. Oh, nice.
That's nice.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Farouk.
Hey, are we gonna be back?
Cheetos.
Are we gonna be back like that?
Yeah, open it. Thank you.
I was close.
Open it. Oh, show them.
That kiss is harder than the money.
So 1,000 pieces. I can't put this together.
Take it back.